Hi everybody, today you're going to be analyzing a photograph of an old western town. I'm going to read the passage to you and kind of go over some of the questions on the following page. A western frontier town. In the 1800s, as more people moved west, frontier towns were built to provide people with lodging and to offer goods and entertainment. Sturgis was a frontier town located in South Dakota. It was founded in 1876. It was named after Major Samuel D. Sturgis, a commander at the nearby Fort Meade Cavalry Post. Sturgis was founded as a supply center for soldiers at the nearby fort. The buildings along the street are typical buildings at that time. Building materials were hard to find and expensive. Store owners could not afford to spend their money on new buildings. Instead, they attached false fronts to small rooms or even tents. The false fronts made the buildings look larger and more expensive. They did this to attract customers. This photograph was taken by John C. H. Grable between 1887 and 1892. At the time this photograph was taken, the region was called Dakota Territory. It did not become the state of South Dakota until 1889. So using the questions on this page, you'll go back and look at the photograph and answer, first of all, what you notice about the photograph and why. What kind of stores line this main street? What does the photograph make you want to learn more about? And please explain your answer. What was a livery? Look for clues in the photograph if you don't know. Look in books and on the internet to find out. And finally, imagine you are opening a store in a frontier town. What kind of store would it be? Why do you think it might be needed? Likewise, explain your answer. How are the main streets in towns today different from the one in the photograph? How are they similar? And again, explain your answer. Answer all of these questions in complete sentences.